Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I'll be showing you how to follow someone on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your device, open up the Pinterest application. After that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, in order to follow someone on Pinterest, first of all, tap on the search icon from the menu bar that you will see at the bottom of this interface next to home icon. And on this page, at the search bar at the top, you have to enter the username of that account whom would you like to follow. And tap on that account's username. And once you land on their profile, now in order to follow this account, you will see two buttons under their profile name, that's message and follow. So tap on follow, and once you tap on there, you will be following this account. And that's how you follow someone on Pinterest. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next